So today I am going to teach you about the 10 physical properties of metal. The 10 physical properties of metals are their state, luster, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, ductility, malleability, sonority, and ductile and tensile strength. The other two important physical properties of metals are that they have less than 3 electrons in their outer shell and they are electropositive, which means that they have low electronegativity, which means their ability to attract other electrons is less. Because they have less than 3 electrons in their outer shell, they lose electrons instead of gaining electrons. So now let's discuss about these physical properties in detail. First, state. Metals are usually solid at room temperature. Exceptions are mercury and gallium. Mercury is liquid at room temperature, while gallium is very soft and can easily be converted into liquid. Second, luster. Metals usually have shiny appearance. Gold and silver are popular due to their shiny appearance and are used in jewelry. Exceptions are potassium and sodium. Next, thermal conductivity. The property of substances to transfer heat from one part of their body to the other part is called thermal conductivity. Metals are good conductors of heat. Examples: silver, followed by copper and then aluminium, is the best conductor of heat. Fourth, electrical conductivity. The property by which metals conduct electricity from one part of a body to the other part is called electrical conductivity. Metals are good conductors of electricity, and examples of these are iron, copper, silver, and aluminium, while exceptions are lead, mercury, sodium, and potassium. The reason metals are good electrical conductors are because they have free electrons present inside of them. Then the fifth property is ductility. Metals can easily be converted into thin wires. These wires can be used for the wires used in our homes for electric purposes, while they can also be used to make gold chains and silver chains. Then the sixth property of metals is malleability. Metals can easily be hammered or beaten into thin sheets. This property is called malleability. Best examples for this property and ductility are gold and silver. And exceptions are potassium and sodium. Now the seventh property of metals is sonority. The property by which metals produce a ringing sound when struck against another substance is called sonority. Metals are said to be sonorous. Exceptions are potassium and sodium and lead. Then the eighth property of metal, mercury. Then the eighth property of metals is that they have high tensile strength. This means that they are really tough and strong. This is the reason they are used in dumbbells and weights, as they need to be strong and not broken down easily. Exceptions for these are sodium, potassium, and mercury. Metals also have other physical properties, like they have high boiling point and high melting points, and they also have high density. Few metals have low density and have low melting point and boiling points. These metals are gallium, potassium, then sodium and mercury. They are highly reactive and rarely encountered in their elemental forms or metallic forms. Three other property is that metals are magnetic. Three major magnetic metals are iron, nickel and cobalt. Steel is also magnetic, but it is an alloy